10 grams? What the heck was that? 9 grams. Brown sugar. Okay. So that'll be the first one. Let me turn this off and let it steam. Beautiful. Blood gunner. Alright. This one. Alright, let's mix this and see if this is actually a good mix of like chia to hemp to oat. Why does brown sugar always clump up together? Yeah, I guess. I don't like that the chia seeds always sink. Okay, that's pretty good. So that for that one. But this one, I think we'll do less chia seeds and 5 grams more of oats. Not an ingredient. Water time? Okay. It needs a buddy. Makes sense. I should go 75. No. Let's just go 70. 70? Perfect. Just Megan, wow. Megan. Indian trees that weather the cold rain and destroying darkness are edible. Oh. That's good to know. Thank you. How are you faded? That makes sense. More moisture that sticks together.
Welcome
Okay,
to
gotcha.
Chat, welcome Harry Mandel's Prolapse to the Chef Name Network.
Oh my god. Howie Mandel's Prolapse, welcome in. Tells us a lot about you. Do 10 grams of chia seeds. Oh, actually. I'm basically 10. What a name. Do 10 grams of hemp seeds. How do you... Never mind. I don't want to even ask how do you know. Never mind. So you have to go poopies, baby. So 10-ish grams of that. A little bit out. And brown sugar we'll keep at 10 as well. So we'll do 70, 10, 10. Is that a Bezzy alt? Oh no. Alright, about 10. Okay.